In this demonstration, we'll show you the process of make to stock inside of Dynamics 365 Business Central. In the process of make to stock, right, it's typically a strategy. Businesses will rely on to match production and inventory with customer demand forecasts. Now, there are advantages of producing for stock, is that companies are, in most scenarios, able to spread the production evenly or over a given period of time. The process of make to stock and make to order are very similar. The major difference is that in a make to stock production, orders are the result of production planning, which in turn is based on sales forecasts. Whereas in made to order, production orders are linked to one or more sales orders. In this scenario, I will show you how to enter in a sales forecast. We'll create a production plan and then create the production order. Let's begin by creating the forecast. Inside of Business Central, depending on the role that you are associated and using, in this current homepage, it's designed with tasks, actions, and activities for the production planner. The specific tasks and shortcuts here are enabled just for the user to perform their job. Obviously, they can personalize this to their liking. I'll select a forecast, and in this view, configured by month, users can quickly and easily understand the forecast sales items and related components, while the additional views can be displayed by day, week, month, quarter, year, even an accounting period. The current forecast is set for the items in April, May, and June. As the sales orders are created, they'll consume the demand forecast. For example, if a sales order is created in April and it's created for a quantity, then the demand forecast will be reduced by a quantity. Let's go ahead next. I'll create the production plan. So based on the demand forecast that was entered in the previous step, the master production schedule creates a plan of orders suggestion, or the order suggestions, I should say. Again, logged into the production planner role, the most common or frequent tasks are displayed here. And the planning worksheet is used just to plan production, assembly, purchase, and also transfer the orders based on the specified demand forecast. I'll choose the planning worksheet. And now planners can take advantage of the embedded intelligence to assist in their tasks. So when the planner selects this calculate plan, the application, basically Business Central, creates suggested sales order lines from the purchase order, production orders, assembly orders, etc. in the planning sheet. Notice the detailed options which can be selected. And now the planning sheet line is created. In the column action message, you see for new. In the column the reference order type, that's the production order. And in the column reference order number, you could see the reference order number, and in the quantity column is listed to satisfy that demand or the forecast demand. And then the last step is to create the production order. The planning worksheet lines are converted into production orders if the accept action message is enabled. So by choosing the carry out action, the system removes the suggested lines and creates the production order. Go ahead and select carry out the message. And now the production order is created as firm planned orders based on the selection above. Users can always select additional options to specify how the assembly order, purchase order, and transfer order should be handled. And the planning worksheet is blank. It's clear, so that means all the lines from the planning worksheet with the accept action message selected are removed once the carry out action message is selected. And that concludes this scenario on how to manage this process. You can see we started with entering in a sales forecast. We created a production plan and then created the production order.